Let's talk about hair damage today. So hair damage होता क्या exactly? When do you say your hair is damaged? So basically हमारे बालों में एक outer layer होती है जिसे हम बोलते हैं hair cuticle. So hair damage हम तब बोलते हैं जब हमारा ये outer layer cuticle damage हो जाता है. Because outer layer ही damage है, so it is unable to protect our inner hair strands. How does this damage takes place with time? So because outer layer is damaged, so that exposes our hair to environmental stressors like pollution, dry, dullness, UV rays, everything. So how do you know if your hair is damaged? So there are some visible signs जिनसे हम ये समझ सकते हैं whether our hair is damaged or not. First is split ends. You will get split ends more frequently because your outer layer is not able to protect your hair. That's when you start getting split ends very frequently. Dry or brittle hair. With damaged hair, moisture cannot travel to our hair strands properly. And even if अगर हम उसे external moisture देने की कोशिश करते हैं by applying any hair serums or hair mask, then also because हमारे hair strands damaged है, तो वो उतनी अच्छी तरह से हमें benefit नहीं कर पाता है, जिससे कि you get stuck in this loop of dryness. The most visible sign is you get more hair fall than usual. You start noticing your hair everywhere, like on your pillow, on your comb, or even in the shower. That is when you know that your hair is damaged and something is wrong. Because the protection layer of our hair is not that strong, so hair becomes more prone to breakage and falling. And last sign of damaged hair is your hair is very tangled than usual. So when the protection layer of hair is not working, then hair strands आपस में बहुत ज़्यादा tangle होती है and you face this issue of breakage. So is there any way by which you can repair your damaged hair? Yes. Absolutely, damaged hair can be repaired. There is a way by which you can repair those damaged ends. Now here you won't see any overnight miracle by using a single product or anything. This will happen with the course of time. So the process is long. You have to stay consistent with your hair care routine. So it's very important to stay patient. Here are some simple things that you need to incorporate in your hair care routine to bring your hair back to its youthful self. So first, oiling is very important for your hair. Oiling is a very traditional approach to restore your hair back to its original quality. अगर आपका scalp oily है, then also it needs nourishment. So make sure that you don't quit on oiling. Ideal frequency in which you should be oiling your hair is once a week. Don't do over oiling because over oiling also has some effects that damage your hair. Don't do overnight oiling. The duration for which you can keep the oil in your scalp is 2 to 3 hours and that way you are done. Don't overwash your hair because that can lead to disrupting your hair's natural barrier. Ideal washing frequency of your hair is 2 to 3 times a week and not more than that. Third is use conditioners every time that you shampoo your hair. Conditioner is to maintain your hair ends and provide a protective layer from environmental factors. Then to fight dryness, use hair serums daily. You can use different homemade hair masks once a week to fight dryness, like you can make a mask out of curd, banana or egg yolks also. So that benefits your hair in many ways. You can also take monthly spa sessions to clean up your scalp. And lastly, don't blow dry your hair every time you shampoo, let them air dry and avoid heat styling to your hair because that damages your hair in many ways. And अगर heat styling करना ज़रूरी ही है, then make sure that आप proper heat protectant products use करें before heat styling your hair. So incorporate these steps in your hair care routine and you'll see some noticeable changes if you stay consistent. If this information was helpful to you, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel.